Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook snow crab clusters. First, ensure your frozen snow crab clusters are fully thawed, ideally overnight in the refrigerator or under cold running water for 30 minutes. This step is crucial for even cooking and prevents the crab from becoming tough. Thawing helps maintain their delicate texture and sweet flavor. A gentle start makes all the difference for this delicious seafood. For the most tender snow crab, steaming is an excellent choice. Place a steamer basket in a large pot, adding about 1 inch of water below the basket. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then carefully add your thawed crab clusters. Cover the pot tightly and steam for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. The crab is ready once it is fragrant and heated through, ensuring a wonderfully succulent bite. Boiling is another quick option. Simply immerse the thawed clusters in lightly salted boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Alternatively, baking can infuse your crab with rich flavors. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the clusters on a baking sheet, cover loosely with foil, and bake for about 10 minutes. Both methods yield delicious results, offering slight variations in texture and taste to enjoy. Your snow crab clusters are perfectly cooked when they are piping hot, easily identified by the steam rising from them. Carefully remove them from the heat and arrange them on a platter. They are fantastic served simply with warm melted butter, fresh lemon wedges, and perhaps a side of corn on the cob. Enjoy the sweet, delicate meat by gently cracking the legs and claws open, savoring every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.